Jace. Jace. Good morning. What's today? What's today?
My picture school.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's still not nighttime.
Why? Because it's dark outside?
Yes.
Well, you put your clothes on because we have to start waking up earlier so you could go to big boy school, okay?
But it's not time yet.
Yeah, it is.
Look outside.
The sun will come up very soon. Okay, get dressed, okay? What do you have to do?
Tired.
Yeah, what do you have to do? Put your clothes on and brush your teeth, okay? Brush your teeth first, though, okay? Corey Jolie, I'm gonna get your belly. I'm gonna get your belly. Come on, girl. Come on, Jace. Hurry. The bus is gonna leave you.
Is the bus already here?
No, that's 7:20. But you gotta hurry, okay? Alright? Brush your teeth. Okay? Yes, ma'am.